How often should the oil filter be changed? Professional filter equipment factory to tell you. The service life of the oil filter depends on the dust content of the filter paper, and the larger the dust content of the filter paper, the better it is, the longer the service life. In the general market specifications, the filter dust holding life is 5,000 kilometers, 7,500 kilometers and 10,000 kilometers respectively. These specifications of our filter production equipment can be made in line with market demand at the same time. We also support all kinds of customization to meet all your needs. The service life of the oil filter and the oil selected by the car are also inseparable. When we choose the filter, we should correspond to the maintenance mileage of the car oil. When the maintenance mileage of the oil and the replacement mileage of the filter do not match, your car may cause some damage. If you are interested in oil filter production equipment, or want to learn more about filters, please contact PLM. We are committed to providing filter solutions for friends around the world.